Hello everyone, this is Crude Oil looking at the daily time frame, and you can see that we've had further weakness. Any type of bullishness that I thought we would see basically got destroyed, and the price continued to plummet lower, which is fine. We can't always have a good outlook. We have to be wrong. That's the market's way of keeping us humble. But in any case, this blue line here represents the weekly candle low from that big candle that we've been basically consolidating in. Jumping to the weekly time frame, try to give you a better look of it here. So essentially, we're looking at this candle here. We've had several weeks worth of price action, and this is still considered consolidation until basically this is broken down. So if we manage to hold this low here, we could see oil potentially turn up a little bit or at least bounce, because what I did was I took the Fibonacci level here on the 4-hour time frame from the low here that was put in up to the recent highs near about 50-50 or 50-40-ish, and it looks like we're approaching that 61.8% retracement level, which coincides with that weekly low of that big candle that I was just pointing out. So I would say that there is a good possibility of at least a short-term bounce here from about this 45.30, 45.25 level here, where the support seems to be coming in. But after that, if we do get a bounce, it's probably going to be difficult to get back above this level here, but we'll have to see what happens. So things are kind of playing out interestingly for oil, given everything that's happened with the hurricane and whatnot, and the overall production levels and just all the chaos in the world. And you have the dollar spiking on top of it, so that's not helping either. So for right now, I would say that you just want to keep an eye on these lows here near the 61.8% retracement level around 45.25. And if you're looking at any other areas here, you would see that this level here would basically act as the support line. Then you'd see a bounce basically to that 45.73 with a further push and extension up to this 50% retracement level here. And then from there, we'd have to see if oil can finally get itself together. But that's what I'll be looking for myself. I will be staying away from oil as well as natural gas until I have better signals. Might play UWT if this level happens to hold, but I will not be in it for too long. So if this bottom gives out, it's gonna basically take us a lot lower. So blowing out that low here will take us down to about this 44 level, and obviously then we'll have hopefully a bounce, another play. So volatility is great. Short-term swings are nice. Taking when we can get them, but we're approaching that 61.8 level, so I expect some sort of a bounce at this portion here, and then we'll have to see what happens from there. But if we happen to bounce and then continue up higher, then we're going to be dealing with around 47 as the next level of resistance. So keep your eyes on the lower time frames. They're gonna give you the basically the guide of what's happening. Looking at this 4-hour time frame, we do have a downtrend line here that you can add to your charts, and that's going to basically add as a cap on the top end of this bounce. So if we do even get a bounce, this aggressive to about this 47 level, we'll be mixing with that 38.2% retracement level, and also the 50 and the downtrend line here. So we'll have to see what happens. It'll be very interesting. I'm curious to see how it's going to play out myself. But I may end up taking a little bit of a position tomorrow if that low holds around that 45.25 level. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm expecting. Until my targets are met, I just sit back and relax. It's a holiday week, so it's not a bad idea to sit on the sidelines, especially with this lower liquidity during this holiday week time. So have a great rest of the week. Have a nice long weekend. I will update you all on Friday, and then you'll have all weekend to enjoy them. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation by thetradersperspective.com. If you have any questions, please comment below. You can even shoot me an email at thetradersperspective@gmail.com, or visit me at the website for any additional information that you're looking for. Thank you all again for subscribing. Have a wonderful long weekend.